Today's video is so exciting, and in fact, it's making me to sing this song. If you believe you can reach the highest mountain, guys. As far as UK is concerned, there is always a way. So let me say that very well. There is always a way, guys. I'm so happy because it has been ongoing, and the government is set to test run this particular visa pathway. So if you are seeing this video, you want to calm down because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you every detail that you need to know and how you're going to go about it, the links to apply, the websites to visit, the employers to check the jobs you need to check on. So guys, you don't want to miss any of these updates, guys. So first of all, let me calm down. For those who don't know, the UK comprises of four countries: the Northern Ireland, England, Wales, and Scotland, guys. But the star of today is Scotland, baby. You know why I'm laughing? You will be happy with this pathway because in this pathway, the benefit of this pathway is very, very, very enormous. Guys, let me stop shouting. It's enormous. And now, the first thing you need to understand is this: the government of Scotland is going through a decline in population, and they have designed this program to help people move into their rural towns. All right. The sole aim of this is for them to have a sustainable economy. If a country is facing population crisis, then there might not be anybody to work on their jobs, guys, and they will suffer economical challenges and crisis. So that is why the government of Scotland, it is not England. So you not be thinking the government of Scotland designed this pathway. So the first benefit that comes with this pathway is that the government of Scotland is going to be giving you your PR in 4 years. You and I know that in England it is 5 years, right? But in Scotland, through this pathway, you're going to be having your PR in 4 years. That's the promise. Number two, you're going to be moving with your family, unlike other pathways like the healthcare, students, everything block. Not in this pathway. In this pathway, you can travel with your family on the go, like immediately. All right. Number three, this is a skilled worker visa, right? So number three, your employer is going to be taking care of your maintenance. That is scrapping proof of fund. You don't need to go and borrow money to travel anymore. All right. Number four, depending on the job role you choose, for example, the healthcare, you're going to be scrapping the health surcharges fee you're going to be paying. Five, keep counting with me. There is form of job security. This one is not that you came to a job before you know you are threatened and you lose your job. No, you're going to be having job security. And because the government is behind this, so your job is secured. Are we together? Then number six, you're going to be having community support because you're not coming there to invade their space. The government and the community are going to be making you as much comfortable as possible. I know it sounds too good to be true, but guys, that's the reality of this pathway. And I can't wait to see you winning. One thing I've always said, if you are a follower of my video, I keep saying it. There is no point looking for big cities, Manchester, London, Birmingham, big. No, girl. So many employers in that cities are the one choosing who to work with them. All right. But people in rural areas are desperate for workers. So when you apply, there are high chances of you getting your role. Those are one of the benefits of this pathway, guys. It's going to increase your credibility of your visa history. That's one. Two, it's going to enhance your work experience and you're going to gain transferable skills. All right. So look no more to big cities. Apply to this pathway and stay tuned for more because the government has rolled out communities that they want to test run this particular pathway with. And I'm going to be attaching them. You're going to be seeing them. and I will drop the link too. So they have also attached employers that they want to test run this pathway with. Why not be the first set of people that want to run through this pathway? Okay, say if government get wetin they don't want, they will close a particular pathway. That's one thing about the government. All right. So guys, I will share my screen shortly with you. But before then, just before then, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ella Uche. I'm a lifestyle content creator. I'm also a project officer. I share relocations, updates, and lifestyle in diaspora. I also share career enhancement programs, all right? So you might want to subscribe and you're welcome to our family. This is a very sweet and happy family, all right? So don't miss out on joining this family and being part of this family, all right? And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. People that are always tuned to my videos, liking and sharing, commenting. Guys, you are the real MVPs. Wetin I won't call on again. Una be odogu parara. Now una be, odogu parara. That's what you guys are. Love you. Cash out for there. All right. So guys, for this pathway, you need a very good CV, a very good cover letter, and a very good personal statement. If you don't have a CV, like if you don't have a very outstanding CV that can sell you out, you can reach out to me on ellauchegroup@gmail.com. We'll tailor you a very good CV to match the job role that you're going for. All right. That is what is important. Make sure that your CV is tailored according to the job role. Now, for personal statements, I have a couple of samples here and there, both on my YouTube shorts and on my TikTok. It's even good you follow me on my TikTok because that is where I share daily nuggets that can help you enhance your career, visa sponsorship, anything that is moving ahead. I'm posting it on my TikTok. All right. So you might want to follow me and let's be friends. All right. But if you want to write yourself a CV, make sure it is well tailored to match that job role. Did I emphasize it enough? Well tailored to match that role. And when it comes to the interview stage, enter into it with all boldness because it is when an employer gets you that the government can be able to give them the support that they need. And the support in this case is money, right? So they need you as much as you need them. So go there with that boldness. Speak up. Speak fluently and accurately. All right. If you are not sure about an answer, you can always use the example that I gave on my TikTok. All right. And my short, I dropped in an example of how to answer questions you don't know in an interview. You might want to check them out. All right. So I've always said this, guys. Anytime you get an opportunity to travel free, please grab it with both hands and make sure you are applying, all right? The sole aim is for you to enter UK now, happy? So if you stay in the rural areas, it doesn't matter because they are going to be monitoring you to make sure you don't leave after coming over there because you have to stay there for 4 years. Any particular community you're going to stay there for 4 years. That's the only downside of this, sincerely. But to me, I don't see it as anything. As far as they'll sponsor your visa, sponsor your family, carry you, come, everything. Guys, hop on this. So guys, let me show you quickly on my screen the website you should go to and everything you need to do. Let's have a look. So the name of this program is called the Rural Visa Pilot Program. All right, it's a Scottish program and it's a proposal that has been developed by Scottish government in collaborations with the local authorities and business sector organizations. All right, and it is targeted to render solution for remote and rural areas that are facing the population. All right, so one thing you should understand is this: most people come into the UK and go straight for top cities because they believe that they will get anything that they need in those top cities. But the truth remains that most rural areas, sponsorship, So guys, these are the local authorities involved in this program. What I will do if I were you is look them up, ring their HR, talk about this program, let them know you know about it. Guys, even if they don't have job applications or job vacancies now, guys, you can always drop your CV. Some of them will ask you to send in your CV. So one thing I would do if I were you is make sure my CV is clean and well detailed. All right, that sells you out. That's the truth. So don't forget also to like this video, share to people. Many people are in their need of opportunities like this. Stop looking into big cities, look into these rural areas. Forget about the code. Your main aim now to get that Bali. After 4 years you can to any place you want to go to. All right, so reach out to this HR involved and you'll be happy with it. Please do well to like this video. Like I said earlier, share this video. So many people are in their need of opportunities like this. This thing is free. The value of this video will not reduce if you share to people. Please like it. That's the only way YouTube can recommend it to other people that need this opportunity. That's the only way you can support this my small channel. Please just support me. I beg you with the love of God. Thank you very much. Don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment sections, your concern, anything you need to ask, just drop them in the comment section. And I'll be there to answer as soon as I can. All right. Welcome to the family. And to wrap this video up, remember to be the best you can always be. I love you. Bye.